Hi, my name is Katie, and today we will be learning chapter 2. And I'm also the driver for the session, and I'm here with.
Hi, my name is Mika and I will be the navigator for this session.
Okay, so now I'm just going to explain the index and let's begin. So, over here in chapter 2 in the index, we've got the div class container. So, basically, what it does, it organizes the bootstrap in the layout for the whole operation. And then we've got the calculator form, basically, this code over here. And what it does is the form lets us use the input height meters and then the weight is the kgs. So when the form is submitted, the HTMX, the HX post sends the input data to the server endpoint and then the slash calculate in the update of the div ID equal to results with the server's response, and then we've got the styling of the bootstraps that is a responsive design with the styling, and then how the form will be controlled, and then the HTMX handles the dynamic updates without needing the JavaScript frameworks. And then the htmx.org over here basically that enables the server's interaction, and then the Bootstrap JavaScript library, its components. And now I'm going to explain the server.json. I'm going to explain the server.json. So we've got our setup, which is the import. It imports the Express modules and then it creates the web servers. And then it configures Express to serve static files from the public folder. And then uh, express.url coded extend through. What that does, it passes the URL encoded from the data, for example, the HTML forms, and then the express.json that passes the JSON data sent by the API clients. And then we've got the post route slash calculate over here. Sorry. Basically, that handles the BMI calculator, and then it the extracts height and weight from the form submission. Then it calculates the BMI using the formula BMI weight um, divided by height times height. And then it sends it back to the result of the clients as an HTML response. And then obviously that's basically just starts the server on the port 3000, and then it logs a message to indicate it's running. And then how it works is when the form in our HTMX is based on the BMI calculator, and then it sends a post to the calculate. This backend processes the data and then it responds with a calculated BMI. The results will be updated in the div ID result on the web page. So let me just run the server. So here's a calculator. And that is the calculator for chapter 2. Thank you for watching.